We arrived loving takeaway and left loving homemade. We may have cooked a whole house, but our family got a home.
To the Bahrain Grand Prix. We are live about 9 minutes from lights out. You may have heard Lee and Fernando also speculating as to Solomon Vando's fate before the break we just had. I can confirm he will not take part in the Bahrain Grand Prix. He's having a power unit issue. Mark, when is this kid going to get a chance to shine?
This is just unbelievable. I can't believe how McLaren on the community is such trouble, mate. I mean, to get the car to the grid, the reliability problems they've had in practice here, seems like for whatever reason this venue has just been the temperature, whether it's the full throttle time, I've got no idea. It's only taking the car to the grid, so he needs a bit of a run, obviously, in terms of reliability, just to get some confidence in himself as a driver. You want that. You want to feel the car. You want to start, experimenting with yourself and working out where your strengths and weaknesses are, and start to get into the details. But at the moment, he's just, he's paddling in water and he's not really getting anywhere.
It's frustrating for him because it's a horrible irony that this is the circuit that he debuted on last year and scored his first point in Formula 1, so I'm sure he was hoping, oh, maybe I can do it again.
Yeah, but you need the tools, right, huh? So you need the tools and you need some consistency and some reliability. So at the moment he does not have that. The package is clearly not there. We've had a great week of marketing and media with McLaren in the build-up this week, but right now, race day, it's brutal and it's not working.
I tell you what, let's discuss the front row, and that'll be Valtteri Bottas of Pole and Lewis Hamilton right next to him. You might remember last year, a little bit of history, they had a dink when Valtteri Bottas was at Williams. Take us through this, man.
Yeah, that's right, two Mercs on the front row, Nico Rosberg on the left, in grid position 2, got the better start, so Lewis didn't get away. Now Lewis watching, he's teeing himself up, going wide, also trying to get a very good exit out here, but guess what? Someone inside there got body contact, wrecked his race, and from now on, that was very, very tricky to him, and having compromised Grand Prix from now on, he's on board with the Valtteri here. Very, very good start. Launched out of the blocks, that's just exactly what you want. And now he's like, okay, so I'm in third. Is he going to sort of back what he's got? Is he going to have another nibble and see what he can do from here? I don't think he really wanted to. It just sort of opened Lewis's line there, and there was an opportunity to have a bit of a look, and then both of them got problems from now on. So Nico Rosberg, thanks very much. 2 to see, 2 Williams, sort of a bit of a roadblock, and that's what can happen in turn 1, as we might find out in a few minutes.
Will they be thinking about that at all today, or will they have jettisoned that particular incident?
Well, a little bit, because you have been for 12 months, you've done quite a few Grand Prix, clearly, but in terms of this, it's a similar scenario. 400 metres turn 1, it's a big stop from high speed, so it's a tight hairpin. You're trying to get a good exit as well. So in their minds, the muscle memory, we're good at drivers, as these starts off, we go positive, but also you still have a little bit of mental, in the memory bank, just from what happened first,
And we spoke to Toto earlier, he said, no, I'm going to let them race. Come on. Do you think he sat him down and said, hey, play nice, come on.
Well, I think you get in some of the interviews, they're looking for a 1-2, they haven't had one yet, so they do need that. So clearly, they're going to race as hard as possible. It's going to be crucial who gets off the line, that first, second, third, fourth gear, and then who's going to go deep on the brake. So I think, this is pretty light.
Sorry?
As we just saw on the monitor, dusk is coming rapidly. The temperatures drop significantly. I mean, it's not cold, don't get me wrong, but that's going to change things Mark, see you on the other side. Right, here we go. Let's join David Coulthard and Ben Edwards in the commentary box. With crew Chandler and Lee McKenzie in the pit lane. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the Bahrain Grand Prix. Hope it's a cracker for you.
Dusk has already settled over the Sakia circuit. As the last traces of daylight disappear here, the Sakia circuit glowing beneath the floodlights, ready to host the 13th running of a Grand Prix in the kingdom. With one win apiece for Mercedes and Ferrari this year, round 3 of the championship brings us to the Middle East and a circuit that winds in upon itself over a track length of some 3.3 miles. It's a track that's definitely tough on brakes and demands a lot from the power units of the cars as well. And the move to an evening start time locally in 2014 has definitely eased the cooling requirements, which have been eased more with a drop in temperature here today, so that makes life a little bit easier. In terms of track layouts and overtaking, we've got a couple of DRS zones. That will help the overtaking, that is down the start-finish straight, and particularly with a headwind blowing up that start-finish straight, we should see some overtaking into turn 1. But there are also some good overtaking opportunities into the many hairpins around this circuit as well. Well, today is notable for the first ever pole position start in Formula 1 for Valtteri Bottas, the 27-year-old from Nastola in Finland. He snatched the top spot from teammate Hamilton yesterday, 5 years to the day that Nico Rosberg took his first ever pole position in China. And on that occasion, Rosberg went on to take his first win. But Lewis Hamilton, always a tough competitor, starting second on the grid, of course, joint championship leader with Sebastian Vettel, and Bottas himself fourth in the points after his opening 2 rounds with Mercedes. He was third in Melbourne, but he finished down in 6th place in China after spinning behind the safety car, something he's really got to put behind him, and he seemed to do that yesterday by putting the car on pole position. A brilliant return after that error in China last week in tricky conditions. So he becomes the 5th different Finnish driver to take a pole position in Formula 1, calling on from the likes of Keke Rosberg, Mika Häkkinen, Kimi Räikkönen and Heikki Kovalainen. So it's Bottas and Hamilton on the front row together. We've got Sebastian Vettel and Daniel Ricciardo, a Ferrari and a Red Bull, on row 2. Kimi Räikkönen lines up in 5th place, and there's Max Verstappen. You can arm in, remember his amazing start in China. Admittedly, it was wet there. Nico Hülkenberg has qualified one in 7th place, Felipe Massa in 8th for Williams. And then on the 5th row of the grid, Romain Grosjean and Jolyon Palmer, his best ever qualifying performance. With tyre choice, Daniel Kvyat is first of those in 11th place. Lance Stroll is the second. Williams lined up in 12th position. And then a great job from Pascal Wehrlein returning to Formula 1, 13th in the Sauber. Esteban Ocon is 14th. And then 15th place for Fernando Alonso. New engine in his car since yesterday. And for Carlos Sainz alongside in 16th. Both of them have had new engines, but no penalties to be applied. Stoffel Van Dorn should have lined up 17th, but he's missing from the grid. Perez is 18th. Ericsson 19th. And at the very back, we've got Kevin Magnussen on 20th. Everybody starting on super soft tyres except for Marcus Ericsson. It turns out, and as we know, Stoffel Van Dorn will not be taking the start. That is the second time in the last couple of years that McLaren have failed to make the start here. The last time they had a non-stop with Jenson Button here in 2015. So this track really has not been good since they've joined forces with Honda, and it's bitterly disappointing that Stoffel Van Dorn will not even take the start of this race. We'll have to see whether Alonso is able to get to the end of the race. They've been suffering with failures which Honda really don't understand. Whether it's down to the temperatures here, just not sure. But we still have the Mercedes, Ferrari and Red Bulls at the top end of the grid, of course, with Bottas the man on pole position, but Lewis Hamilton, he'll be looking to try and take the start. And of course Sebastian Vettel, who was a non-starter here himself last year, he'll be working hard from 3rd place.